Good morning, everyone. My name is Ellie. I'm an English teacher on Preply, and I have decided to start doing videos teaching some amazing English things that people should know. So today we're going to talk about phrasal verbs. So get your coffee or let's get started. The first one we'll look at today is get over. Get over means to recover from something or to overcome something. It's probably the most common one you hear. Our first example, I got over Steve. What might this mean? I got over Steve. Well, it's usually probably used after a breakup, when you're ready to find someone new. You have left that person in your past and you're ready to move to the future. Our second example, you haven't gotten over it? You haven't gotten over it. Now, it can be anything. Maybe you haven't gotten over your test results. Maybe they were bad and you haven't moved forward. Maybe someone made a mistake and it's hard for you to forgive them. Maybe you made a mistake and it's hard for you to forgive yourself. This can mean anything. It's a great expression that we use every day. Now, can you think of two more examples using get over? Are you ready for the second phrasal verb? Go on to phrasal verb part 2 and you'll see the next one there. See you soon.